Welcome back. Welcome back to Young Tripp Reactions. Yeah. Insane. Absolutely insane. Such a damn shame.
You're watching Young Tripp Reactions, the show where rapper Young Tripp reacts to the latest videos on crime, drama, news, and so much more. Get ready, because the show's about to start. Let's go.
Welcome back to Young Tripp Reactions. The next video we're gonna do is Florida seeks death penalty against Filipino-born nurse after intimate crimes against people. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and join the Young Tripp family. If you have any videos that you run across that you want to hear me react to on the channel, post it in my community tab or send it to me through direct message over on my professional FB or my professional Instagram. Also, make sure you come follow me on my professional FB and my professional Instagram as well too. If you have any situations involving police misconduct, injustice, violations of civil rights involving you, a friend, or a loved one, send that to me through direct message over on my professional FB and my professional Instagram as well too. Let me know what's going on with the case. Let me know if you're a relative that hopefully that the police did not like unalive them or anything like that. If they are in a situation where they can't, speak for themselves due to whatever the situation may be that is causing that, you can come on and speak for them, or you can give me the information, and then I can also pull the public information and then speak for them to help fight for justice for you and your family. Also, let me know about the activists that are involved so I can join them in the fight for justice for you and your family as well too, so I can join them doing that. Also, let me know if there's a civil rights attorney involved, similar to Ben Crump or Ben Crump himself. Let's get into this. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and join the Young Tripp family.
Seeking the death penalty against Florida prosecutors are seeking the death penalty against a Filipino nurse accused of child sexual abuse. The case comes after a months-long investigation with damning evidence, including a video recorded by one of the victims. The details in this report by our U.S. correspondent, Paul Garilao.
Prosecutors in Florida's 5th Judicial Circuit are seeking the death penalty against Filipino nurse Schubert Navarroza Macarat, following a grand jury indictment charging him with 47 felony counts. The charges include multiple counts of sexual battery involving a child under the age of 12, as well as counts related to the possession of child sexual abuse material. The investigation began after the alleged victim disclosed years of abuse to authorities, leading to a months-long investigation. According to the arrest affidavit, the alleged victim told investigators she secretly placed a camera inside her bedroom because she believed another incident would occur. Authorities say the recording became part of the investigation. Investigators also say they recovered a hard drive containing hundreds of files identified as child sexual abuse material. State Attorney Bill Gladson says his office is seeking the death penalty because, in his words, the alleged crimes are so heinous that no other punishment is fitting. Beyond the criminal charges, legal experts say the case could become a major test of Florida's 2023 law authorizing the death penalty in certain child sexual battery cases. We asked former federal prosecutor and criminal defense attorney David Haas why this case is legally significant.
Eventually, this case will be heard by a Supreme Court There is a U.S. Supreme Court decision that says that the death penalty for these offenses is not permissible. And so, how that gets litigated and how it gets resolved, will determine whether or not the death penalty can actually be carried out, assuming he's even convicted of the offenses.
Legal experts say the case is expected to take years to resolve, as both the criminal proceedings and the constitutionality of Florida's death penalty law could face lengthy court challenges.
A jury will determine whether or not, the defendant should receive or shouldn't receive the death penalty.
Paul Garilao, Billionario News Channel, Florida.
Ooh, my bad. I believe that for these crimes, if he's found guilty, that they should find him guilty where they can, use that penalty. The unaliving penalty. You should not be violating small people. That is insane. So he needs to be held accountable. Again, if he's found guilty, because at this point he hasn't had a trial yet to be found guilty. But if he is, he should be held accountable to the fullest extent of the law. I'm usually obviously not for, the whole unaliving thing, but unless somebody, unalives somebody else and then they're found guilty of it. But when you do things against children and you have a history of doing it to multiple children, maybe that's something that needs to be done to you. But let me know what y'all think. I'll have the original video pinned at the top of the chat and in a link in the description. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and join the Young Tripp family. If you have any videos that you run across that you want to hear me react to on the channel, post it in my community tab or send it to me through my professional FB or my professional Instagram. Also, make sure you come follow me on my professional FB and my professional Instagram as well too. If you have any situations involving police misconduct, injustice, violations of civil rights involving you, a friend, or a loved one, send that to me through my professional FB or my professional Instagram as well too. Let me know about the civil rights attorneys that may be involved, like similar to Ben Crump or Ben Crump himself. Let me know about the activists that are involved so I can join them in the fight for justice for you and your loved one. Let me know about, if your loved one, hopefully that they didn't, the police, because we know how they are, didn't unalive your loved one, or put them in a situation where they, no longer can really defend themselves. If that is the case, then you can come on and speak for them or give me the information, and then I'll also pull the public information and then try to get that story out there for you and your loved one to help fight for justice for you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and join the Young Tripp family. The links to my social media accounts will be at the top of the chat, along with the original video, and in the link in the description at the top of the link in the description, along with the original video. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification, and join the Young Tripp family. Peace.